Shoulder-length curly hairstyles offer a versatile and trendy option for those seeking a chic and manageable look. This style combines the elegance of shoulder-length hair with the natural bounce and texture of curls, creating a playful yet sophisticated appearance. Whether tightly coiled or loosely tousled, curly shoulder-length hairstyles frame the face beautifully, accentuating features and adding volume to the overall look. This length is particularly flattering for various face shapes and can be customized with layers or bangs to suit individual preferences. One of the key advantages of shoulder-length curly hairstyles is their adaptability to different occasions and settings. These hairstyles effortlessly transition from casual daytime looks to more formal evening events, making them ideal for the modern, on-the-go individual. With the right styling products and techniques, curls can be defined and controlled for a polished appearance or left free-flowing for a relaxed, carefree vibe. Additionally, shoulder-length hair offers enough length to experiment with various updos and half-up styles, providing endless styling possibilities for any occasion. Maintaining shoulder-length curly hairstyles requires a combination of proper care and styling techniques to keep curls defined and frizz-free. Regular conditioning and moisturizing are essential to keep curls hydrated and prevent them from becoming dry or brittle.